We have been trying to solve various issues as regards the airport. In the morning we had a meeting at the Naval Enclave where certain issues with as regards slots not available for charters was sorted out. NOTAM, which was notified on Saturday, Sunday, has been done away with. So there will be no hindrance to having sufficient number of charter landings, which was already on the cards. This is, I think, a big boost for tourism, and I must thank the naval authorities for acceding to the demand of the state government into accommodating civilian interests by permitting more flights as a consequence of NOTAM being withdrawn. In the whole process, they stressed also on the total safety aspects in regard to all aircrafts taking off and landing, and issues as such related to security as well as other related issues at the airport were discussed. So one major issue was sorted out where people were concerned that if the flights are reduced, amount of arrivals will be less, people arriving will be less, and tourism will take a setback. At the point of time, people were concerned that Dabolim will close down, and Dabolim is sufficient for the air traffic that is there. In future, this airport itself is enough. Today, the various stakeholders, after sitting down, almost each and every slot available has been occupied. There is so much growth in air traffic in the as far as the charters are concerned. They informed us that this year there is a growth of by 37%. So if this is going to be the growth as far as charter flights are concerned, as far as your charters are concerned, then naturally you need another airport. That is what I said, and it is visible. The growth is visible. In 2013, I think there used to be as many as 40 aircrafts landing and taking off every day. Now there are as many as 80, almost 80. So see the growth that has taken place. And moreover, charters increasing to 37% itself speaks with record that there has been that much of growth. So where will the people accommodate themselves, on which aircraft, and where will they land? That's why the necessity of MOPA was discussed and stressed.
It was decided upon there are certain issues which need to be solved. So what I personally feel is that this airport is for the Goa, for the people of Goa. We are in the service for the people of Goa, and we really look forward to make it absolutely trouble-free and an enjoyable experience for all the passengers who are going through this airport or coming through this airport. Their holiday should start when the moment they land at the airport. I feel so, and so many issues have been discussed, and we are looking ahead to solve all these issues, and we are committed as Airport Authority of India for this airport, for civil aviation, and in support with the state government.